Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are turning a boring project sheet into a lively masterpiece. We are adding some drop-down list and color to show task progress. Finish a task. If you finish a task, just select completed. Just select completed as turn a cheerful green. If you select going to start, it's red. It's meaning danger zone. You have to start it soon because your deadline is very near. So stick around and I'll guide you through the easy steps using a Excel. So it's a game changer for project management and accounting. So guys, before let's go to the video. Let's go to the actual project sheet. Yeah, let's make it. Just select your days or whatever your project time. Just select all. Just go to the data and go to data validation. Select here. Shows. So what do you want to put the word like going to start. In progress, if any work is on process, on in progress, you can say in progress and completed. So it now is drop down list is ready. Yeah. So let's make it with some color, like go to the home and conditional formatting, new rule with cell and contain which equals to the, let's make it going to start. Yes, let's make it red. Yeah, nice. Red is a bit lighter red. We should say that hurry up, we have to start it soon. It shows red color. Let's make it again. Let's select all the table. Select whole table. Again, same process, conditional formatting, new role, cell that content equals to in progress. Let's make it somehow on process color, like particular. Let's select this one. This is our print color. So if we select this, if we select this, if we select completed, it's normal. Let's make completed also. Let's go to the new role, cell that contains equals to completed. Let's go to green. It's the green one. Okay. Now we have to select. These all are completed before the deadline. Yeah, just right. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. How was it? If anything need to improve in this video, please let me know in comment. So thank you for watching.